Good afternoon. Vanakkam. Just a minute. Dialogue. You guys are okay with Hindi also, no? Yes. Just a minute. No, I'm fine with that. Ipdi irukkirigal. How are you? Answer me, no? Ipdi irukkirigal means, how are you, no? I got it wrong. What is Ipdi irukkirigal? How are you? She told me. Okay, fine, whatever it is. So, distinguished guest on the floor, on the benches, thank you. Very first thing, I should like to thank Great Lakes for calling me here and giving me an opportunity to be with you all and share with you and also take a lot of learnings from you. Thanks for that. Since morning, after the bombardment speech by Mallika ji, I have a few disclaimers also. The first thing, I think we had talked enough on the clothing part. I thought maybe the title would have changed, but fortunately it is not. But I like to add that I wear this because I want to wear it, I like to wear it, I wear it by choice, and I'm comfortable with it. Secondly, no respect to my elders, today's youth, male or female, wear this because they like to wear it, they want to wear it, and it is their choice. So I would rather say that please do it that way. There is no compulsion. Like, thanks, I am wearing this coat because currently it's helping me to protect myself because I'm feeling quite cold here. So I would rather thank it that way. I'm very happy that she has worn a sari. So I don't know, you like to wear it or you've done it. I don't know, whatever. Fair enough. So that is point number one. Point number two, I do like people clapping. I do like standing ovations, but the most thing which I like, that if I can make any difference in even one life or one person or one being today, I'll be the gladdest, happiest, fortunate person. Thank you. So now to this topic of do you have to be an iron lady to be successful? Mallika ji has given a very good definition for success. Let's see what my definition turns out to be. How do I go to the, okay, this is, I don't have a habit of using these things, okay. These are a few dialogues which have been coined by myself. I don't know whether you people know or not, but I also write. I'm a columnist and I write for Divya Bhaskar and sometimes for Femina. So these things, so a lot of things we coin when we write. We have to be original. Otherwise we'll get into plagiarism or whatever you call that. Fine. So all I say is woman is a go-giver, always and always, and it's in her DNA, so you cannot take it away from her whatsoever it is, wherever you compare her, wherever you put her in your life. So this is what I call woman is a powerhouse. Woman is a powerhouse through which she empowers people with powerfulness, which makes them powering with absolute power. Can you put that on? I like to see myself. Obviously, you don't get an opportunity like this. Now, I'm very serious because in the office, you can't put a mirror in front of you. This is the chance I'm getting. And can you share that video with me also so that I can show my boys my another nature? Thank you. So coming back to our serious, I want it on. I'm very serious. Yeah. Okay, so back to the topic. What is an iron lady? Believe me, I didn't know. So I checked up Wikipedia. Google Baba. So iron lady is a strong-willed woman. Correct? हाँ बोलो भैया. आप भी मेरी तरह देशी भाषा में बात करोगे क्या? Thank you. No, I'll try to see. I'm not in the best favor. For me, थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है. Boys, क्या बोलना है? लड़के भी ताली मारे. मेरे नहीं. All for women. Yeah, thanks. Okay, what is success? मेरा इतना हाई-फाई definition नहीं है. I have a very short and sweet definition. Success is getting what you want. Am I right or wrong? In simple terms, success is getting what you want. And what is failure? Wow, man! Give them degrees. All are pass. Wrong. This is what I believe. Failure is the fertilizer for success, and failure is postponed success. Something very serious. There is always this thing कि सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. I know everything is people always feel it that way. But we believe as an entrepreneur, I'm mentioned as a serial entrepreneur, or not as a serial killer. So mind that. So as a serial entrepreneur, failure is a fertilizer to success. That reminds me, somebody mentioned me as a social entrepreneur yesterday. You know what a social entrepreneur is? Anybody? Okay, I'll tell you, just to make things faster. Entrepreneur doing business on the streets, or he's called a businessman or a thila wala or whatever. Nowadays, a lot of IIM people get into online e-commerce, so they are called online entrepreneur. And the social entrepreneur is people like me who do losses. So that's why I'm being called a social entrepreneur. So it's very easy to be a social entrepreneur, though people say it's difficult. I'll tell you it's very easy to be a social entrepreneur. So for us, failure is a fertilizer to success, and failure is postponed success. Very important, especially for my female friends. Failure is not getting down, it's not getting up again. So this is very important. Take it in your mind and use it forever. Now, the most important question, secrets of being successful. You want that? Want to know it? Simple, very simple. I'll just give you an example. I always like to talk with examples. And the most simple example is, I think I'm stepping on something. Okay, that's not that. Yeah. The most simple example is something like this seminar or panel discussion was happening, and somebody asked the speaker that, how are you successful? So the speaker said, only 2 words. Only 2 words. That's very simple. So they asked, what are those 2 words? So he said, right decisions. The audience said, wow. And said, only 1 word, 1 word. What's that? He says, experience. So somebody again asked that, where do you get the experience from? Simple, only 2 words, wrong decisions. So this is the secret of being successful. So what I always tell people, that don't fear, neither failure, neither taking decisions, because those things will help you to be successful in whatever you want to do. We were talking of pursuing our passion. I always tell people, do what you like, or like what you do. Because either ways you'll be happy. And if you don't do it, either ways you'll be sad. So even if you don't like something, either pursue it and do it and be the best, or stop doing it. So do what you like, or like what you do. So this was something like secrets of being successful. When I was, everybody knows knowledge is power? My father taught me one thing at a very young age, that Ruzan, being a girl, when you get married, still I'm not, you would be going out anywhere in the world, and the only thing which a woman can carry with her is the knowledge. So knowledge is power, you should, and he saw to it that I got well educated. My mother told me a very good thing. She said, Ruzan, wisdom is superpower. So I said that I got confused. My father is talking of knowledge and my mother is talking of wisdom. Then she put up a very good example that we all are taught. Knowledge says that tomato is a fruit, correct? We all are taught that. But wisdom says that tomato cannot be put in a fruit salad. So women do have a lot of that wisdom. So knowledge is power, then wisdom is super duper power. 1-2 slides will go on this part, then I'll go on some other part. Life is simple, men make it complicated. This is something somebody mailed me the equation on the left side, and I don't know what happened to me, and I made a new equation, which you guys can have a look at it. It is self-explanatory. So what I want to say, that either on the internet, on the Facebook, on your emails, you have a lot of SMSs or notes on this. But sometimes I would appreciate that if female can also give in their touches and put things like that, which I did. I put it on my Facebook. I may have a 3,000 to 4,000 database of email, maybe 10,000 plus database of email IDs of my friends and whosoever have come in touch with me. So I mailed to all of them, and I'm sure it must have become viral. So This is something which I would like to share here. Now coming back to, after this, let's see what the next slide is. Okay, no, this is not for you. Done. Now coming back, I want to like to, okay, how many minutes I have? Just a minute. So what karo cho? That's going to be difficult now. Did I take all the 7 minutes? I was given 7 minutes, no? Thank you. I can negotiate some more. They gave me 2, I will take by myself. 4 minutes, fair enough. So what I wanted to say here is that I have a lot of things to say, but I think we could do in the Q&A. But what I wanted to say here is that we were talking about balancing of life, which is very important, not for men, also for, not for women, also for men, and especially for women. Why? Because you have to balance life in a very different way, like not just your personal and a professional life. To be very honest, I'm very proud of my father. My father started his business from scratch. He was also into social services, so he was the Home Guard commandant for the state of Ahmedabad. And he started his big business from scratch, and he had his young family to feed and to take care of them. And my father has done everything. So somehow I'm to be very honest, I really don't know that whatever I hear from females, whatever they talk about men world, sometimes I consider that maybe I am not a woman or what, because I have never faced it. I'll tell you, if you talk of injustice done or things like that, I have struggles. If people talk of struggles, I don't think so I have ever faced it, or I have never thought it that way, I'm facing some struggle or things like that. That is what I always tell people. When somebody tells me, okay, Ruzan, tell me about your struggles in life, I say, bullshit. I do not have any struggles in life, and I do not want to glamorize the fact that there are struggles, because I would never call them struggles in life. Because example, presumably that, let's say that I had an ISP business where we had to put cables from building to building, terraces to terraces. So now you go to many times due to some XYZ reason, you go to those terraces, you have to climb those terraces, climb those ladders. So many people would go, hey, you do this. I said, no, this is nothing. I'm not doing a big job. Everybody climbs up the stairs. Everybody does that. So do I. So I would never find it a struggle. If I have to go and do my cold calls, I am, as such, I used to call myself a technology person, but there's demand required that I should also get into sales and marketing. I'm very close to sales and marketing, and in fact, everybody, even if he or she says that she doesn't know sales and marketing or she doesn't do sales and marketing, everybody at any point of time, even in the family, have to do sales and marketing and sell themselves or help strategies or do own branding. So let us not say that we don't do sales and marketing, or the marketing is not the thing. It just comes into us, and you can call them, you can call it different names, but this finally is sales and marketing. So what I want to tell is that ultimately at the end of the day, these all things, I'm very happy that you people are learning sales and marketing out here, because unfortunately I never had that opportunity to do so. And everything I learned, if I look at it the flip side, everything I learned, I learned it on the ground. And so maybe that can also be happy, because I didn't have to unlearn, because I'm sure many times you guys will have to unlearn a lot of things when you come into business. I'm now a little bit disoriented because of time, but fine, I wanted to say something else, but let me complete my sides. I believe, and I'm a strong believer, मंजिल नहीं जाएगी भटकते ही सही, गुमराह वो जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. So, बाकी, you come, listen to all these things, very good, get motivated, inspired, depressed, whatever, but end of the day, you got to do this. This is a very important thing, a very, very important example I like to give you. Simple living, high thinking. And today's scenario is complex living, confused. My father taught me simple living, high thinking. But today's scenario is complex living, confused thinking. Just a simple, fast example. And that is what? How can you say that? Just an example, and I'll to specially keep a man character in this whole thing. So there's a man and a woman, because this is that conference, that's why. There's a man and a woman, and they're into a husband and a wife, and they're camping. So when they're camping one fine night, on that day of camping, when the wife wakes up the husband and asks him, hey, look, what are you seeing up? So the husband says, now he wants to impress his wife, the men, as they normally want to do. They say that, astronomically, I can see lots of galaxies and lots of planets and things like that. Wife says, very good. She again asks, what else are you seeing? He says, theologically, God is great, and he has built such a huge universe. Wow. Very good. He's trying to impress his wife. His wife again asks him, what else do you see? He's wondering, he says, meteorologically, I'm seeing clear skies, so tomorrow is going to be a very good day. Now the husband has had enough, he uses all his gimmicks to impress his wife, he now doesn't have any more gimmicks. So then he asks his wife, but what do you see? His wife says, I see that our tent is stolen. So this is what I mean by simple living. You should not do confused thinking. And the men factor came into it. Well, I have a lot of examples for this, but I really don't know. I think I'll take it up in the Q&A. Yeah, I'll do that. I have a lot of examples for this, and what is work, okay. And yeah, this is a very important thing I like to make. I gave you one mantra that manzil mili jayegi batak sahi sahi gumra boy chakar se nikle. Second thing, I don't know for this whole day whatever you'll remember, not remember, enough clapping, enough applauding. But this is a simple exercise. You can do it right now also. Just think of any problem that you have. Currently, you'll be facing any problem, or you think it's a problem, and think it as a challenge. Convert it into challenge. Instead of using the word problem, say that it's a challenge for you. Okay? Or say that it's an opportunity for you. Do this mental exercise. Every time, now you should not have, I'm not talking something cliche that problems are never there, blah, 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 blah. Problems are always there, but how you convert them into challenges and opportunities. So let's say if you say that this X thing is a big problem, instead of that if you say X thing is a big challenge, just see your mindset, just see the frequency, just see the waves that you are getting. You would be getting very positive waves which would help you to come up in life. Use that, take my words. This is going to be a vast difference in your life. Play a vast difference in your life. Heroes do lose but never get defeated. This is my favorite dialogue which I always tell people, again coined by me. Everybody has seen Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Senorita, right? I said बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी हार होती रहती है. That does not mean you should give up. I think I'm done anyway. And Nandagani, thank you. Sorry, I mean, I think I messed up a big time. Never mind. My favorite last dialogue is always Bharat Bhagya Vidata. Thank you.